All right, today we are going to review question forms. As you can see on the whiteboard, there is a form that we need to follow with questions using auxiliary verbs. So we have a question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and verb. Okay. For example, how often does she do yoga? How often is our question word, does is our auxiliary verb, she is our subject, and do is our verb. And every question, when we're using an auxiliary verb, like these here, needs to follow this form. Okay? An easy way to remember that is QUASV. Okay? So that's question word, auxiliary verb, subject, and verb. Okay? So here you can see that we have 4 different grammar points. Okay? Present simple, present continuous, past simple, and present perfect. Okay? So if we look again at the present simple form, we use do or does. Okay? So how often does? How often do? Okay? What do you do? Okay? We can use any of those with do or does. Okay? Moving on to present continuous, okay? We can use is plus verb ing. Okay? Is plus verb ing. Okay? What is Steve cooking tonight? Okay? What are you doing tomorrow? Okay? Anytime that we use a continuous tense, be verb plus verb ing, we follow this form. Next, moving on, past simple. Okay? Past simple is did. So auxiliary verb in the past is did. So where did he go last night? What did you eat for breakfast? Any of these questions, when we talk about the past, we need to use did. All right. And lastly, we can use the present perfect, okay? Which, if you don't know, is have plus verb PP, or the past participle. Okay, so here's an example. How many people have you invited to the party? I have invited 15 people, right? How many cups of coffee have you drunk today? Okay, so that's how we would use a question in the present perfect. Now again, here are the question words. If you don't know, the 5 W's, who, what, where, when, and why. Okay, we can say how plus an adverb, how quickly, how slowly, how fast. We can use how plus an adjective, how hot, how cold, how interesting. And we can use how much or how many plus a noun. For example, how many people. Okay, so that's pretty much it. A quick overview of question words and the forms in these 4 tenses. And that's it for today. Thank you.